Hey guys, it's Christine Vales, and I thought I would go out on location today. And here I am on the beach on St. Simon's Island, Georgia. I hope you enjoy these beautiful surroundings behind me. It's a beautiful day here. And I was led to come out to the beach because today is a significant day on God's calendar, and I thought it would be appropriate to go out by the waters. We are in the month of Cheshvan. This is the month of new beginnings. It's the month of Noah's Ark and the flood. You can check out the whole chalkboard teaching on my website, on Facebook, or on my YouTube channel if you missed it. But today is the 10th day of this month of Cheshvan. This year, October 28th, 2020. And it is the day where the Lord invited Noah to enter into the ark. We see it in Genesis chapter 7, so check it out. And as I was reading about it, I thought, wow, the Lord didn't say, get into the ark, Noah. You better get in there. No, he invited him to come into the ark. And that is the nature of our God. He is a God who has given us free will. He invites us to come to him. He doesn't force us because he wants us to come to him on our own initiative, because we really want to, that our heart wants to follow the Lord. And so this invitation was given to Noah and his family, and they took the invitation and they went into the ark, him and his family, all the animals, and of course they were safe, they were saved, they were high and lifted up, they were preserved, they rested in the ark of safety. And that's the invitation that Jesus gives us, and that's what I want to encourage you guys to enter into his rest. And there's only one way to enter into true rest, and that is through the door of Jesus. Jesus even calls himself the door. So he invites us even now to come, enter in. And I'm reminded of Matthew, Jesus' words, Matthew 11:28, when he says, "Come to me, all who are weary and heavy laden, and I will give you rest." Isn't that what we all want? We are all looking for rest, safety, protection, and Jesus offers it to us even now. So let's enter into the rest of Jesus, enter into his ark of safety. We will be protected from the storms of this life. We will be high and lifted up right now in our lives and in the future in eternity with him. So I just want to encourage you guys. He has given us the invitation. The door is wide open, and all you need to do is come and enter in, and you will have rest for your souls. All right, guys, well, enter into his rest. Be blessed, and thanks for watching. Enjoy the beautiful ocean behind me. See you later. Bye.